Tolson offers to evaluate a new product, Cordless Screwdriver model 79005. The possibilities are quite good. 2000 mAh battery, backlight, reverse. And torque adjustment up to 10 inch-pounds is present, and it can be realized with one finger. According to the good tradition of such tools in the set, there are Rosset bit, H3, PZ2, T10, what only there are not, and for convenience they are marked with colored rings. Enerpac waves to us from the future of cordless tools and brings us the SC series hydraulic pumps from there. The SC 1201 MB model pleases with a maximum working pressure of 10,000 psi, a motor of about 1 horsepower, and a weight of about 20 pounds. Buyers' wallets should also open thanks to a 54-volt battery and the Enerpac Connect app, which collects documentation, instructional videos, and maintenance reminders. The pump costs $4,700. The Xesto ZW 4170D may not have the most impressive name, but it can carry loads of up to 370 pounds up and down stairs, move at a speed of up to 34 steps per minute, and travel up to 130 floors on a single charge. The cart is about as noisy as a vacuum cleaner at 70 decibels, and the wheels are equipped with shock-proof pneumatic tires. Not a bad set of benefits, especially since it's discounted to about $500. In the movie Asterix and Obelix Mission Cleopatra, the builder Numerobus measured the site for the future palace with steps and at some point lost his way. He would clearly need a curvometer or simply put, a measuring wheel. Let's take a look at the Crescent Lufkin models. They have analog meters calibrated by the wheel. You can buy such a curvometer starting at $29. If you're watching this issue of Standing, you might want to sit down. The price of this scanner is coming up. Are you ready? $34,800. You could buy a used Tesla 3. What kind of scanner is this? It's called the Artec Leo, and it's the world's first wireless 3D modeler powered by artificial intelligence algorithms. Artec Leo captures an area of up to 160,000 cubic inches, works at speeds of up to 80 frames per second, and thanks to Artec Studio software, allows you to combine the scan and photos from other cameras to get an incredibly realistic 3D model. The Rigid K912 is the most compact pipe cleaning system from FlexShaft. It weighs 10 pounds and is very versatile because it is compatible with any cordless drill capable of 1,800 to 2,500 revolutions per minute. The cable is also successful. With a length of 30 feet, its diameter is 1/4 inch, so it is flexible enough for maneuvering in the area of the knees, but at the same time effective in pipes with a diameter of up to 2 inches. The system costs $230. The fastening universe has also found something interesting. This is Fisher Duotech, the so-called self-aligning dowels. They appeared on the market quite a long time ago, but they still help craftsmen all over the world. The fasteners are made of fiberglass reinforced plastic and stainless steel. Its main feature is a ribbed strip, as if it were a knot. In addition, these dowels are perfectly combined not only with screws but also with inch screws and studs. And the small size allows for installation with a 3/8 inch drill bit standard. A set of 50 dowels 3/8 by 2 inches will cost $76. For $30, you'll find something useful too, like the Vibbar vacuum scraper, a scraper that makes it easy to use your construction vacuum cleaner. Dust, sawdust, debris, and dirt don't get blown around. What's more, with the Vibbar vacuum scraper, you can scrape away layers of paint, plaster, and other materials up to 1/4 inch thick. The scraper is also fiberglass reinforced and suitable for wet cleaning. Have you seen butterfly knives? A similar design is realized in this folding chisel. The rest of the screen shows a classic woodworking tool. Like its conventional counterparts, it can be sharpened. The width of the cutting part is 1 inch, the handle is plastic, and the price, of course, is slightly higher than its standard counterparts, $16. What do you think? An entertaining gift for a stellar. This octopus-like system is designed especially for car enthusiasts. It can be used as a microphone and camera holder or as an extra hand when working on a workbench or under the hood. Magnetic elements of the system will hold parts, tools, and other things weighing up to 1 kilogram. The special lamps shine for up to 8.5 hours on a single charge. And thanks to this optimization, the master will be able to work 37% faster. Price the system at $150 for the basic set. Another curious upgrade for the drill. This time we are offered to turn it into a Saber Saw. Just spend $75 on this unit and you can enjoy working, including on metal. The kit comes with blades with lengths of 5.3 inches, 5.7 inches, and 5.9 inches. It is stated that the upgrade is suitable for most electric drills. But judging by the comments of buyers, it feels pretty good, even on screwdrivers. The Cobalt WE64 is a sharpening system from Wicked Edge. It is quite compact, only 9 inches in length. However, it is on par with larger models in terms of results. It comes with 2 diamond-coated sharpening stones of 200 and 600 grit. They are mounted in guide rods with an adjustable angle. It is always visible thanks to the arrow slider. Additionally, the Cobalt WE64 is compatible with adapters that allow you to sharpen scissors and chisels. The system costs $706. The new cordless torque wrench from Enterpressive combines an impressive torque of up to 6,000 FTLBs, with an accuracy of plus or minus 5% over the entire operating range and a portable battery-powered design. By the way, the kit comes with 2 5.5A units. The tool also features an LED display, and the torque setting is carried out at the touch of a button. For all these advantages, you will have to pay about $7,800. Meanwhile, the Wuta team is selling a leather cutting machine. It is a professional model with pressure built up to 1.5 tons. It is quite enough to cut workpieces with a thickness of 0.6 inches. The machine is also suitable for working with rubber, plastic, fabric, and other materials, significantly expanding the possibilities for the master. It does not take up much space either, measuring 15 by 12 inches. The price of the machine is $668. Sometimes it's best to follow a template, and it's a good thing if the template is from Bloom. The company also deals with conductors and offers a set in a handy carrying case. Of course, the template is ideal for working with guides and other Bloom products. For example, the T65000 model will help with the preparation of holes for safety hooks and pre-drilling for locks. But you will have to pay a lot for the Austrian quality. One mentioned template costs $39. A couple of years ago, firewood prices rose sharply in many European countries. For example, in Germany, a cubic meter of this fuel cost from $108 to $217. Against this background, a Czech firewood chopper would clearly come in handy for many Europeans. After all, who knows what the coming winters will be like? And so, for $74, you can quickly chop both dry and raw wood. Moreover, the movable part of the wood chopper becomes heavier. The MJ3 is a bit more specific. It is a grinding and polishing machine for stone workpieces, including granite. It is lighter than many analogs, weighing only 26 pounds, but it is equipped with a 3-horsepower motor and allows you to adjust the speed up to 8,500 revolutions per minute, selecting the optimum depending on the task. Since water is used in the process, the MJ3 has received a splash guard, and protection against electric shock is guaranteed by a GFCI circuit breaker. This machine costs $949. Do all the work at once, suggest the authors of Coilshot. This system was invented to effectively clean condensers, and we're not talking about electronic components, but heat exchangers. The Coilshot connects seamlessly to a garden hose. Thanks to innovative technology, it cleans not only dirt and grime, but also grease. Unlike many competitors, it allows you to do without 1 or 2 tablets of cleaning agent. For hard-to-reach places, the developers have kindly invented a 36-inch long nozzle. The Coilshot costs $102. The IML Reezf turns your drill into a wood sclerometer. It's cool and expensive at $3,127. However, the buyer will be able to check both live trees and bridge supports, playground elements, and other wooden structures. The results are documented right on the spot and allow you to quickly identify, for example, rotten areas. A single 5A battery charge is sufficient for 50 measurements, which can be carried out at a depth of 20 inches. Want a smart laser ruler that fits in your pocket and guarantees accuracy of plus or minus 1 millimeter? Then Neor Go is built just for you. With one charge, this technological marvel will last for 10 hours. Straight or curved angles, it makes no difference. Just place the ruler on the surface. Units of measurement are switchable, so you can use miles or yards. Measurements can be dumped into the app with a variety of formats available, from DXF to TXT. The ruler weighs a mere 1.6 ounces and costs $49. The 3Decimo MultiPro is a complete pocket workshop. It will replace both complex tools like a 3D printer and soldering station, as well as simple tools like pliers and screwdrivers. The developers didn't stop there and made the MultiPro source code open source, which means that the final functionality is limited only by the imagination of buyers. You can put in a 0.01-inch drill bit, or a soldering iron that heats up to 490 degrees Fahrenheit in 20 seconds. Engraving, burning, cutting, this tool handles wood, plastic, carbon, and a variety of combinations. And the basic 3Decimo MultiPro kit costs only $69. The Rapid XP30 comes in handy when working with anchors, dowels, and other fasteners. It is indispensable when it comes to drywall and is suitable for fasteners in sizes from M4 to M6. The tool is good for small repairs on your own and for intensive professional use. One of the secrets to this versatility is the aluminum body, which always sits flush with the wall. The Rapid XP30 can be purchased for $25. Next in line are decorative rollers for concrete. Their creators should be applauded because now craftsmen are able to finish the work 5 times faster than usual. The rollers are made of polyurethane, so they give neat and stable prints. Sizes to suit all tastes. For example, the model RL 11611, which allows you to work under the brick, comes with a roller width of 11 inches. And to fix the result, it is recommended to use a stain. One roller costs $40. The systems from NetU are sure to appeal to tilers. The idea is to apply the adhesive quickly, evenly, and without overspending, either directly onto the floor or onto the tiles, as shown by the workers in the video. In the second case, the top version of the system allows you to adjust the width up to 31 inches and also comes with teeth ranging from 0.3 by 0.3 to 0.8 by 0.6 inches. All rollers are rubber, so the tiles are not scratched, and one tile is realistically processed in just a couple of seconds. The system costs $511. And this kit with the telling name Skyscraper will allow you to finally scrape the roof clean of debris and dirt. It costs $763 and offers 3 height settings, 23, 30, and 33 feet. It comes with 11 differently shaped scraper blades as well as a brush. It is, by the way, effective at fighting moss. The double head allows you to combine these accessories as you wish. Sellers are sure that the Skyscraper is a great option for professional cleaners as well, which likely explains the price. This is not a mutant table assembled in the garage from anything, but a serial workstation called Speed Bench. The Japanese company Ryobi has pleased us with it, and it's not without transformations. Speed Bench transforms from a workbench into a cargo cart. In the first mode, you can use a wooden tabletop measuring 42 inches by 22 inches, capable of withstanding up to 400 pounds. In the second mode, the load capacity magically drops to 300 pounds. It also features wheels with a diameter of 10 inches. The Speed Bench sells for $199. The Enar Vibbar E-Bat is a cordless pendulum depth vibrator used for placing concrete mixtures. It weighs a modest 11 pounds, additionally stands out with reduced noise and vibration levels, as well as a full hour of work on a full charge. Complete with a charger and a 4A battery, the vibrator costs $896. This line of devices from Monova Tool will help in working with polystyrene foam. In essence, we are looking at a tungsten carbide chisel. It can either be used separately or connected to a construction or household vacuum cleaner through the provided insert. The ergonomic shape provides a comfortable two-handed grip, and because the system is cordless, there's no need to worry that a sudden movement will pull the plug out of the socket. These are the elevators offered by EasyG Manufacturing. The entry-level model is rated at 34 pounds, and the top-of-the-line model is rated at 109 pounds. The T-shaped handle provides excellent control to keep tile and other elements perfectly level. The more powerful elevators are equipped with an N-shaped handle for easy two-person operation. In any case, each elevator comes with a set of special attachments. These include elements made of foam with a memory effect. IML Manufacturing states that the elevators reduce work time by 40%. Perhaps that's why even the entry-level model costs $634. These classic clamps are well suited for handling curbs, slabs, and other heavy loads. A typical model allows you to adjust the jaws to one of 3 positions and open them to 11 inches.